So I'm thinking of doing something peachy, sunset, orangey thing. We'll see how it goes. So I might do like a bit of orange and maybe some gold in here too. So I'm going to dip into this orange and put this in my crease. And then I'm going to go back in with that peach shade and apply that all over my lid. I feel like doing some like Instagram baddie sort of makeup today. I feel like Instagram baddies like always have really nice simple eyeshadow, then some like bold eyeliner and then crazy lashes. So I might do that. I think it's time for some eyeliner and mascara. That is the eyeshadow look done. I know it's super simple, but I feel like being simple bitch today, so. I'm first applying the Scandal'eyes eyeliner by Rimmel London on my waterline. For mascara I'm using Great Lash by Maybelline. Ow! Hit myself in the eye. And then just some on my bottom lashes too. I'm going to use Gala from Kiss Lashes. Oh, there's a rainbow on it. Wait, can you see that? And to kind of like blend how my lashes kind of stop, like get in that inner corner, get these tiny little lashes down there just to blend them together a bit better. Oh my god. I'm going to use my Too Faced chocolate bronzer and you know where this is going. So now I'm taking my Hourglass Ambient Lighting Blush in Infusion and I'm just applying this to my cheeks. I also like to apply this like a little bit on my nose, on my chin, and up here, whatever this is called. Okay, for highlighter I've gone for the Becca Champagne Pop and I'm using a Zoeva 105 Lux Highlight. So it's literally my favourite brush for highlighting. I just apply it to my cheekbones and a little bit on my cheeks. And I think this is the finished look. It's quite simple. The lashes are cute. Do you sometimes feel that you've put like two different lashes on, or is that just me? Yeah, I think this is kind of a cute little summer, the last of summer that the UK has. Might as well wear it while you still can. Hope you enjoyed the tutorial and I'll see you guys later. Bye! I'm not giving you the finger right now. That just looked like I was giving you the finger. Okay, bye bye. Manual focus, hello. Up and down the boulevard.